In this video, we will learn about 18 of the best artificial intelligence tools that you can use to increase your income or make your work easier. So stay with me until the end of the video. 1. Murf. Murf is one of the most popular and impressive AI speech generators out there. Murf enables anyone to convert text to speech, voiceover, and dictation, and it's used by a wide range of professionals, including product developers, podcasters, educators, and executives. Murf offers many customization options to help you create the best natural sound possible. It is available in a variety of voices and dialects, and has a simple and easy-to-use interface.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Let's go to the next tool.
2. Neural Text. Neural Text is your SEO assistant for content briefs, creation, and optimization. Using these data, you can easily create an outline in a few clicks and assemble a content brief for your writers in a few minutes, saving hours of mindlessly clicking on Google search results. 3. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is an AI writer that can help anyone generate text for a website or social media post. Four. Jasper. Jasper AI is a robotic writer powered by cutting-edge AI technology that can curate content 5x faster than an average human copywriter. With Jasper AI, you receive 100% original content with zero plagiarism flags that are accurately written. You also get pre-written templates on specific categories. 5. Genfty. A wonderful website that converts your image into anime images, and you can also convert those images into NFT. 6. Textio. Textio is an AI tool that relies on predictive technology to improve job listings. It analyzes every word, recognizes over 5,000 phrases, and scores documents based on their capability to attract users. At the same time, the tool helps eliminate gender bias in the hiring processes by detecting it in job descriptions. 7. Bizzabo. Bizzabo's event experience operating system helps deliver engaging and impactful human experiences. The data-driven open platform allows individuals to manage events, engage audiences, and grow communities through its central command center, which is where you can synthesize event data. You can also analyze cross-event insights and set up payment processors. 8. Legal Robot. Another top AI business tool, Legal Robot makes legal support far more accessible for every size company. It helps individuals understand what they're signing by deciphering complex legal contracts. 9. Timely. Timely is an AI business tool that helps shorten the time it takes for time tracking and timesheet creation. Through the use of AI, Timely processes recorded information and generates draft timesheet entries for the team, freeing up employees to work on other tasks. Team activities like payroll, employee performance, and project management can be managed in a single smart space.
10. Genesys DX. Genesys DX is an intelligent web chatbot. It doesn't require any keyword matching and can remember entire conversations while responding to users. It answers questions in a natural way while also allowing customers to purchase products through the chatbot. 11. Sage AP Automation. AP Automation software is a program that automates accounts payable tasks. Sage Accounts Payable software helps businesses streamline their accounts payable processes through invoice automation, payment remittance, tax calculation, and supplier management for small business accounts payable. It enables users to spend time on other tasks rather than manually entering data. 12. Augmentir. Augmentir is aimed at industrial companies. It is a suite of AI-powered connected worker tools that help improve safety, productivity, and quality of the frontline workforce. By providing deep insights into operations based on human activity data, companies can identify where they can improve in the areas of productivity, quality, and cost reduction. 13. Chatbot by LiveChat software. Chatbot by LiveChat software automates key tasks by creating multipurpose chatbots. It can be connected with many different tools and platforms through one-click integrations, and it enables businesses to improve conversational experiences with customers. Chatbot creates responses that encourage customers to chat and interact, and it allows organizations to highlight their brand, products, and services by mixing text, images, quick replies, buttons, and more. 14. HubSpot. HubSpot CRM is an AI-powered, cloud-based customer relationship management software that helps sales and marketing teams work together to grow their business. With HubSpot CRM, you can track all your contacts, deals, and tasks in one place. This helps you to close more deals and keep your customers happy. 15. Optimove. Optimove is a customer data platform that includes AI-powered marketing capabilities that aid in collecting data from several platforms to present a unified view of all information on a single dashboard. It helps businesses quickly evaluate or exchange information and decide on marketing strategies. 16. MidJourney. It's a very powerful artificial intelligence that turns your text into incredible images that are incredibly detailed. That you won't believe that it was designed by intelligence. Even you can design a logo for your work using this artificial intelligence. To use it, you need to create a Discord account and join its group. To use it, I will publish a video on the channel. 17. Originality. Originality AI is an online tool that scans your content for plagiarism and other forms of intellectual property theft. It goes beyond the typical copy and paste detection methods to also detect paraphrasing, misspellings, and even synonyms used in the text. 18. Fireflies. Fireflies AI is an artificial assistant tool that can automatically record, transcribe, and analyze calls and meetings. It offers collaboration options with your teammates, making it easier to comment and share feedback.